Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make raw vegan brownie. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Firstly, we have to blend soaked walnuts. They should soak for at least 8 hours. You don't have to blend all of them at the same time. You can blend half of them, then put them in a bowl and blend the second part. Now we take some bananas. To make the mass thinner, we can add some coconut oil. Now some carob or cocoa to make the taste of our cake more chocolate-like. Now we blend everything again. We put everything in the same bowl and mix to combine all of the ingredients. It's best to use our hand or a spoon. When all of the ingredients are combined, we put the mass on the form we will dry our cake. We form it in the shape we want. The thicker the cake will be, the longer it will take to dry. We can first dry it and then put a topping on it, or do it before putting in the dehydrator. The cake will be delicious no matter which one you will choose. The cake we put into the dehydrator to 45 Celsius degrees and we start doing the topping. Firstly, we will need melted coconut oil and some cocoa or carob. To make it more thicker, we have to add some coconut flour or shredded coconut. Our cake is ready. Now we just have to dry it, and our raw brownie is ready to eat. Bon appetit!